In this video, I will show you how to block sound in Chrome browser on Windows 11. So firstly, open Chrome browser. Now here click on these three dots, then settings. Here click on privacy and security. Scroll down, then click on site settings. Now here we'll see the permissions, and here you will see additional permissions. Expand. Now underneath content, you will see additional content settings, and here you will see the sound. Click here and you can allow and you can block. Default is allowed. Selected sites can play sound, and you want to block, so select the second option. Don't allow sites to play sound. Features that need sound won't work. So make sure now you are not able to listen, and again you want to make it on, so just select this setting. And also for both setting you have the options. For particular website you can allow and you can block. So thanks for watching.